It's my first video. It's my first video. It's my first video, you guys. It took us a while to get here, but we're here now. We're here. So I've been looking for somewhere to purchase a new wig from, and I came across this AliExpress seller called Siyunshowhair. I watched a couple reviews on them, and I mean, it seems pretty good. I was, you're always skeptical with those, AliExpress vendors. Like, it's either a hit or miss, but took one for the team, you guys, and I bought one myself, and we are going to do an unboxing today for it. So I'm really excited. I haven't opened the package yet, and I've had it for a little minute because I've been trying to get all this ready so it could be authentic for you guys. So let's get started. So this right here is what I ordered. I did get it custom, so they were really good on that too. They actually had really good communication. I was able to message them. I wanted a certain color. I wanted it ombre, so I was just like, all right, let me just see if they can do this for me, because I can color it myself, but who got the time for that? I really don't. When I ordered it, it was easy to, put in the modifications, whatever I wanted. Just, contact the seller however you want it, and they'll just hook it up for you, girl. Or boy, I'm not judging. So I got it shipped to a different address. It wasn't mine, because I was getting this weird thing, like my mail wasn't coming through. So I just had to ship it somewhere else and get it. And then that was a long story. I had to get it, shipped to a Walgreens. I had to pick it up from there, and it was just so much, but here we are. We got it. It's a little beat up, I'm not gonna lie. It came from China, so I wouldn't expect it to be a little, beat up rough around the edges, but it says from Star Chen, give my yuan crap. I don't know. We're just gonna go ahead and open it up. So this is what the front of the box looks like. Like I said, it is pretty beat up, so don't mind that. But it says 100% human hair, wake your own beauty up. Nice red box. And on the back, it has the caring method. You know how to do that stuff. And if you don't, I'll make a video for that too. I got you. And I'm super excited because 250% density, like, what? Who? Girl, I'm so tired of them little thin behind wigs, so I'm really excited. So we gonna see what girls got for us today. So when you open it, it comes with the wig cap, and looks like an elastic band. And here it is. It comes in a bag like this. So fresh out of the bag, smelling it. I mean, it doesn't like stink or anything. It just has a regular smell. It's not like, what? Not bad, not bad. Oh my goodness. Look at the color. Look at it. Look at it. Do you see that? What? All right, and now we're gonna do the shed test. Gotta run your fingers through it, make sure it's not shedding too much. Oh, wow. Literally nothing. Literally. Oh my goodness. Nothing. And look at these ends. Hold up. Let's get into these ends, honey. Let's get into these ends. You see how thick they are? Yes, ma'am. Y'all. Hold up. They've already got some little baby hairs already out. You see already. And then on the inside, we've got 2 side combs, the adjustable strap, and a back comb as well for security. And it is looking good, you guys. It is looking so good. Wow. Stepping out. Your girl gonna be stepping out in this wig, honey. You already know. Already. So this was just the unboxing, you guys. So I will have a video posted on the install, how to take care of it, all that good stuff. And also some other surprises for you all. So I'm pretty excited for that. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my very first video. Thank you guys. So make sure to stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you.